Hey there, how are you today? Today we are going to be making a fox, so let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is we are going to make a curved line, maybe about 3 inches. That's going to be the top of our fox's head. Now we are going to put a dot up here, maybe a couple inches away from the curved line and over, up and over. And the same on the other side. Those are going to be our guide dots for our ears. Now, from those dots to this area on his head, you're going to make a curved line in and a curved line in, just like that. Now, you're going to have a little bit of space here, and you're going to make a curved line again and a curved line again, just like that. Now, we're going to finish the rest of his face, the rest of his head. So you're going to come out, in and down, out, in and down. This can get kind of tricky, this shape right here, so you might want to practice it. Now at the bottom of his nose, we are going to make his actual nose with a shine mark on it, just like that, maybe a little smaller. Fill it in. Then we're going to go back up to the top, and we are going to do something with his ears. You are going to make another curved line that kind of follows along with the first curved line. And the same on this side, just like that, to the bottom of the ear. Now, from this side, you're going to go to his nose, but watch what I do because it needs to be curved. The line needs to be curved. Curve it in, and do the same thing on this side. Curve it in, just like that. Now let's make some wide set eyes, some little shine marks, and fill those eyes in, just like that. Okay, there's his head, there's our fox's head. Now we're going to go down to his body. I'm kind of running out of paper here, so you might be able to make your body a little bit longer than I'm going to, but I'll get you the basic shapes. So for this side of his body, you're going to make a curved line coming out and then back in. Same on this side, curved line out and coming back in. Now we're going to go back to this side and we're going to make his little foot. This is actually his back foot. And then we're going to come up and we're going to make a line and we're going to make his front foot like that. We'll go over to the other side, and on this side we're going to go a little bit in from our initial line, and this line's going to be a little bit more straight. We come down and then we make his foot again, just like that. Now this is his front foot. His other back foot is tucked behind him, so you won't be able to see it. We make a straight line down here. Okay, let's close this area up. And in this area, we still need another line here. More of a curved one, I guess. And then we need to close this up. I think I'm going to bring this line down a little bit further, just like that. Okay, now we're going to make him some toes. Maybe 2 toes. 2 lines for 3 toes. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make his tail. Foxes typically have very fluffy tails, so I'm trying to think of how I'm going to fit his tail on here. I think I'm going to come behind his head and I'm going to make a curved line and then it's going to come up into a point. And then I'm going to make it as fat as I can on this side, although I don't have very much room. And it's kind of like an S almost. So we start at the tip and then we come down. Now, foxes at the end, they usually have a white area, so we're going to go like that. Squiggly area. All right, he's done. What do you think? I hope you like him. Thank you for stopping by. Take care. Bye.